Hello there. In this video we're going to go over the remarkable relationship between the two legs of a right triangle and the altitude of that triangle. So, I know that it's a right triangle. I can actually figure out some of the other lengths in here, AP and PB. So this portion here, that's this right triangle, square root of b squared minus h squared, and over here the hypotenuse a squared minus h squared is this squared, so we get that. Now, I'm going to start setting up some relationships. Left-hand side, triangle APC is similar to triangle CPB, and the path there is I'm doing the short angle to the 90 and up, and here I'm doing the short angle to the 90 and up. Or you can think of it as the legs. It's long leg, short leg, and over here, long leg, short leg, and not touching the hypotenuse. All right, set up the ratios. So this is doing the first over the first, second over second, outer over the outer. And now I can make a bunch of substitutions, because I know that AP, for example, is this here, root b squared minus h squared. So those are the three things that I get. I'm only going to concentrate on these two over here. This other one on the side, I'm actually going to sort of leave it out. But this part here, I can multiply, I can cross-multiply and get rid of the fractions. So we get that, and this can all be grouped together inside one set of square roots, like that. And now we can square both sides. So I'm actually going to continue that up over here. I almost wrote the wrong thing. I almost wrote h squared, but I'm squaring this side, so it's going to become h to the fourth. Now, oh boy, let's expand that out there. So that's going to become that. And notice that I got this plus h to the fourth on both sides. I was a bit worried, but it turns out that that h to the fourth is going to cancel, leaving me with a 0. And the parts that were negative we can move to the other side. So we get that, and then we can factor out an h squared and divide to get h by itself. So this could get us what h squared is. Now the relationship's it's even wilder than this. We're going to do something rather extraordinary. We're going to take the reciprocal of each side. So this whole thing here, I'm going to take its reciprocal, and this whole thing here, I'm going to take its reciprocal. So that's going to leave me with this. And it is rather important that we're flipping these whole things. And this part here, notice the numerator now is something plus something, so that could be separated. We couldn't separate this one. The plus sign was in the denominator, but numerator we can separate. So this portion becomes the b squared over a squared b squared, plus this portion, a squared over a squared b squared. And what we see is that the b squareds cancel here, and the a squareds cancel there, leaving us with the incredible upside-down Pythagorean theorem that 1 over a squared plus 1 over b squared equals 1 over h squared. Amazing, huh? Character and scholarship for life.